Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's just a regular Saturday in the shed. I thought I'd bring you along because we're doing all kinds of little things, but also a little update on what's been going on with the cars. So the daily Passat was off the road for some time, but my mom wanted to use a car for now, so I've given her the Passat. But we actually had to do the clutch and flywheel on that, and funny enough it just went as I was driving to the garage to get it fixed, so we had to get towed. So shout out to Arius who trailered us to the garage, and of course shout out to Kieran Casey, who's the best Volkswagen mechanic I know, who fitted the clutch and flywheel on the Passat. So reach out to them if you need any work done for your Volkswagen. Leave the link to their page in the description down below. And other things that we've been doing some cool etching, taillight etching on the 350 for Stella's car. I drew the design on the taillights and Stella's currently etching, so that's another thing we've done. And then Adam Bates sold the S15 and bought an R34 GTT, but there's a lot of G-Shiro bits on it, so very cool car, congratulations to him. So maybe you'll see some more of that on the channel. But in today's video we have the 1 Series in the garage, and there's a few things wrong with it. Small things, thank God. So we have an error on the MHD saying intelligent battery sensor missing, and that's been happening since we've put the car back on the road. To be honest, I was just putting it off and I didn't think it was anything serious until some funny things started happening. My oil temperature not reading correctly sometimes, and then a few random faults like the traction control just totally turning off, and that might not be down to the battery, but I think, and also a fuel issue that I had, so that could be battery related. But I'd rather have a look at the battery, see what's going on, and see whether can we fix the battery first. And yeah, we'll just have a look around and see if there's anything plugged out or weird, because when it was off the road we'd disconnect the battery every time we'd have a look at it, so we were fiddling around that area. So just have a look. And then also, what else? Oh yeah, today we're hoping to do a gearbox service as well. It's never been done on this, I don't think. And you saw us build the spray booth. We got to use it. We didn't film anything with it, but we painted our splitter. It's covered in orange peel, so we're gonna try wet sand that today. And Ross's wheel we refurbished as well. His mom decided to spray paint it black, spraying her Buddhas in the garden. So yeah, we're just repainted that, and actually looks quite well. And love the spray boot. It makes it look really light and airy in here when it's not the case. But yeah, follow along with us today. So from what I understood, the IBS is connected to the negative terminal, which is under that tab. So I'm just gonna disconnect it and disconnect it from here as well, and make sure nothing is loose here, and maybe give the negative terminal a clean with electrical spray, which the one that we're using is just this brand. I don't know where we got it, but just give everything a clean. And if that doesn't solve it, and just also check the positive end as well, make sure everything's plugged in. And if that doesn't solve it, we'll just get a new IBS wire and see if that will solve it. But for now, this is our first plan of action. Okay, so we gave that a clean, and we'll see what it's doing when we start it. Sorry, let me take off my glove. Okay, hold on. Make sure we're connected. We're connected. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Let's read the codes. Okay, it still says intelligent battery sensor missing. Just clear that. on and off again. Okay, start it again. Doesn't see it anymore. The thing that I could know that it was something wrong with it is I could set the time, and then when you turn it on and off, the time would just disappear. So let's say it's 10 o'clock at night. Perfect. Okay, so let's turn it on and off again. Okay, it remembered the time. That's a start. Let me just read codes again. Okay, that usually comes back up. So maybe that's fixed, but I won't know until I keep driving it, so we'll keep an eye on that. Okay. So guys, we've just taken out the fill plug because my friend Jack said we take that out first because you don't want to drain it and then not be able to fill it.
Monica's got a different voice when she starts talking to the camera.
It's her posh.
She's all real at the start, and then she's like, "Hi guys."
I turn into a lady.
And she's doing manly stuff.
Anyway, so we've got this out. It was hard to get out, but we sprayed some WD-40 on it, and it's out now.
I sprayed WD-40.
But it was my idea.
I did it.
Jack did it, but it was my idea. Anyway, now onto the drain plug. Oh my god, what are you doing?
Right, go for it.
Okay, right, ready?
Hold on. 3, 2,
I
yeah.
might not be able to get it, but sure, look. Ah, I did! Whee!
Dude, that's dead. Hadn't even been there.
Stuck it in the bucket.
Oh no.
Fucking hell. Jack, you're fucking distracting me.
What?
You're distracting me. He's doing something on my laces. He's definitely. I knew you would do that, you fucker! Rosie, tie them together!
Alright, come on. Get on with the job, would you?
You tie them together! I can't reach the socket. Oh, you fucker! You better not fuck my laces now.
Are you draining that or what? Come on.
Just,
Come on.
The socket is fucking in here somewhere.
Get it out.
Oh, dear. I can't get it. Somebody didn't just up the car enough. Okay, I have it.
Alright, just do it by hand then, probably.
I am.
Alright.
Jack, you better be undoing them now.
Okay, it's coming.
Yeah.
Jack's face.
I'm gonna do this by hand.
Until we took it out and there was no oil.
That would explain the smell. It shouldn't be too warm because.
Oh, come on.
Shut up.
My neck. Oh.
Oh, it looks pretty
I was
clean.
going to say it looks good as well, yeah.
Wow.
Say it was done before.
Yeah. No harm in changing stuff. Well, actually, geez, it looks really good. Yeah.
Just have a good car.
Well, like, you'd kill him because it was your shoes, but I wouldn't kill him if he did it to you.
kill him because you are my boyfriend.
But he's my boyfriend too.
So this is the gear oil that we got. It's the 75W80. Also, my friend Jack Crummy suggested that I buy this oil. However, he's after saying it's the wrong one. So
If you could bring up where I told you to buy that. I don't remember telling you to buy that one. I thought it was $75.90.
You said that's the one you got, and you had to go back to Halfords and change it. Do you remember that?
So don't buy that one.
No, the 90 one was the wrong one. You had to go back and change it.
Maybe. Maybe it was.
I don't know. Okay, morning Jacko. Gonna take your advice and change my transmission fluid too at some point. Is our 75W80. There's so many different ones in the form since I think most are automatic. What's happening? Yeah, I think it was 7580 I bought in Halfords. This stuff is like syrup. I was like, I can't believe Jack's dad got a cooler car than me.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, yeah.
The two of you like, oh my god, your dad's so cool.
Where is your dad? Why do you have your dad's
Here,
car?
can I ask you, is this going into the...
Oh, that stinks.
It's stinky. You
That
just, you
is-
just
it's
do
in
that.
here. It's in here, is it?
Yeah. Where do you put up your ass?
Colonoscopy.
Can you pump
We're
it
at
up
that
there?
age soon.
Take a while.
Oh my god, there's nothing coming anymore.
Pump it. Where's it
It
coming?
is.
Oh, it is, yeah.
It's taking ages.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be here forever.
Oh, excuse me. My heartbeat.
That's like 2 BPMs.
Your man did say it's gonna be shit.
Yeah, he recommended something else, but that was like 20 quid, so...
Was this the red one? And it was like a hand pump?
No.
Oh, that was in
That's the
Screwfix.
best one. They're fucking unreal.
Yeah.
This takes like 2 minutes.
Yeah,
Oh.
but he was like, it's 2 to 3 days to get it in.
That's what she said.
Oh, maybe this is not in fully. Try now.
You probably should have started with that.
Do you know what? We may have to cut off like
Just
to
suck
there
it.
because it's taking too much pressure to bring this up.
Oh.
You're doing it. You are doing it. I'll tell you when to stop. It's right.
Okay, hold on. It's gonna go
Stop.
now. Stop.
Oh, it's in my mouth.
No, it's not.
Okay, wait. So this
Look, it's barely taking it. There's not enough pressure.
Is that a carcinogen?
Yeah.
I think we may have to cut this shorter to relieve the pressure.
Give me the scissors.
You can't do it like this. You're gonna get oil.
Anyways, in the end we ended up using the bottle and the nozzle that it came with and just putting enough pressure to get the most of it in and then continuing with the other pump. So while we're on a roll, decided to also service the air filters on my car with this kit from Halfords.
I can see overspray getting everywhere. Do it over your car now. I'm gonna kill you.
So after the washing step, make sure that they fully dry before you apply the oil. So we let this dry overnight. So the next thing on the list was to sand down the splitter that we painted. As you can see, it has a bit of orange peel. So we're going to attack it with 2000 and 2500 sandpaper. This is our first time doing it, so don't judge. But if you have any constructive criticism, please leave it down in the comments below. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all the little jobs in the garage, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!